One for the books para sa Korean idol na si Nancy McDonie, ang kanyang guesting sa Running Man Philippines na first bilang Sparkle Star. Ano naman kaya ang say niya sa mga nagsiship sa kanila ng runner na si Miguel Tan Felix na partner niya sa isang mission? Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Hi everyone, I'm Nancy. I'm so excited to be
Memorable para kay Nancy McDonie na dating member ng K-pop girl group na Momoland ang kanyang guesting sa Running Man Philippines Season 2. Ito ang kanyang first kapuso guesting as the newest Sparkle artist.
It was very fun and I'm looking forward for new opportunities to connect with my fans through Sparkle GMA.
Kita nga ang excitement ng runners na makasama si Nancy sa kanilang Soulmate Race episode. Nakapareha ni Nancy sa MZ o Millennial and Gen Z dating mission si Miguel Tan Felix na siniship online ang MIGZ.
I just want to say that you're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen here in Korea. So can I touch your hand?
She's super nice and he was really sweet. He probably had a really hard time because of me because I'm really thankful for him that he was translating all day.
Asar talo tuloy si Miguel sa runners na gusto raw tawagan si Isabel Ortega.
Lagot ka talaga! May tumatawag! May tumatawag! Oy, your girlfriend is calling.
Pero kung tatanungin daw si Nancy kung sino ang kanyang favorite runner,
Angel, I think Angel was really athletic and she was very funny and I really loved her bubbliness and yeah, I think she was one of my favorite runners.
at mukhang the feeling is mutual.
Sarap gawing kitchen ng cute.
Excited na rin daw si Nancy na muling makabalik sa Pilipinas.
They welcome me with like a big hug. Like I can feel it. I can feel it. And they're so warm-hearted.
Nang tanungin kung ano naman ang mga naaalala niyang Tagalog words and phrases.
I know, ang sarap.
And speaking of masarap, favorite daw niya ang chicken adobo at sinigang.
Adobo or sinigang? Which one will you choose?
Every dish I tried has always been amazing. It's hard to choose what I like the best, but I think it's adobo.
Aubrey Carampel, updated showbiz happenings.
Ultimate kulita ng bagong TikTok challenge na sinakyan ng Dante Squad, kaya umabot na sa almost 6 million views. At sa nalalapit na birthday ni Marian, ano kayang plano ng pamilya? Makichika kay Lars Santiago.
Just give me my money.
Go see.
Just give me my money.
May more than 5 million views and counting na ang latest TikTok challenge na kinasahan ng Dante Squad.
Just give me my money.
Cuteness overload ang hatid ni na Ate Zia at Sixto.
Just give me my money.
Di rin nagpahuli si Marian. Pero pagdating kay Ding Dong,
Just give me my money.
no reaction ng kids at si Yan Yan na proud na na-prank si Dong. Ang kwelang video, isa lang sa bonding ng pamilya. Kanina, magkasama sina Marian at Sixto para sa isang endorsement.
I-explain ko naman sa kanya, pero siguro maganda na hindi ko din masyadong sabihin na trabaho kasi mamaya hindi siya mag-enjoy. So gusto ko lang mag-enjoy. Ngayon pag nakikita kong hindi na siya, out na, tapos na.
Noong nakaraang Biyernes, nag-celebrate ng kanyang 44th birthday si Ding Dong. Simple ang naging celebration na gusto raw ni Dong.
Hiling talaga niya yon. Sabi ko sa kanya, sa birthday mo, anong gusto mo? Sabi niya, mahal gusto ko lang talaga mag-breakfast kasi mahilig talaga mag-breakfast yung asawa ko. Sabi niya, nakasama kayo. So, ginawa namin ng mga anak ko yun. And then in the afternoon, kasama namin yung buong pamilya.
Pero sa mismong birthday ni Marian sa August 12,
aalis kami, di ba? Wala ako dito.
so gaano katagal kayo na
Huwag mo nang tanongin, Tito Lar, kasi parang kumembot lang umuwi na. May pasok din kasi yung mga bata. So, talagang ano lang, band lang talaga.
Lars Santiago, updated sa showbiz happening.
Mabilis na chikahan tayo para updated sa Showbiz Happenings. Star-studded ang ginanap na gala premiere ng digitally restored and remastered version ng 1998 classic na Jose Rizal sa Metropolitan Theater. Originally produced ito ng GMA Pictures, directed by national artist Marilu Diaz-Abaya at co-written by national artist Ricky Lee. 8 strong years na on our area na ang K-pop group na Blackpink. Ipinagdiwang ng grupo ang kanilang anniversary with the group live kung saan present ang lahat ng members nito na sina Rosé, Lisa, Jisoo at Jennie. Happy anniversary, Blackpink! Ginard launch na ni Rere Madrid ang basketball star na si Kai Soto. Kita yan sa recent IG story ni Rere na nirepost ni Kai with a heart. May kilig na palitan din ng comments ang dalawa sa recent post ng Sparkle Star. Last Jay may gala magkasamang rumampa sa red carpet si Rere at Kai.